Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. Right here we have our latest winner. Now remember, it doesn't really matter what this winner chooses from the item shop. You guys can go on and sign up for whatever you would like from the item shop, which does include the battle pass. And if you would like a chance to win, make sure to follow 3 steps coming up in this video. Regardless, let's just get started with the gifting. So we're gonna go right into the item shop. We're gonna take a look at what he wanted. So he wanted this bundle right here. We're gonna give to friends. We're gonna take a look at our lobby. Easiest way to gift. And we're gonna purchase that gift. So we're gonna send it away. And I'm gonna show you guys that people, when you send them a gift, they get it right away. There is no buffer time. The only buffer time is if we need to refresh Fortnite. So if I go to his name again, I cannot send this over again because he says owned. So that's how you guys can make sure, especially if somebody sent you a gift, if they send you a screenshot like this, then that means they actually sent you a gift. Other than that, if they send you a screenshot, like, let me show you, because I did get this question a lot. So if they send you a screenshot of this, hold on, just this, that means they haven't gifted you nothing. All right, because somebody can go to that screen and that's it. They can just go back on it. Anyways, let's just go back to lobby. And Taco just has to change his banner if he wants to see his gift, and he can just wear what he got right now. So go on and wear what you got. You can change your banner. That usually refreshes Fortnite, and you should be able to get your gift. Or else we have to go into a game, get out of the game, and that will refresh Fortnite as well. Oh, there we go. It refreshed. I think he had to change his banner like 3 times. And then we almost loaded into a game and he got his gift. Awesome. So congrats for winning. And make sure you guys, if you guys would like a chance to win, follow these 3 steps. Number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. Just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. If you guys want the battle pass, if you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.